How to fix the automatic brightness on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the automatic brightness issue on Instagram. So if you use Instagram to watch videos, reels, or posts, you may have noticed that the brightness of your screen automatically increases and decreases, which can be quite annoying. So let me explain how to resolve this. So first of all, you have to open the settings on your phone, scroll down and find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, click on it. Here you will see the option of adaptive brightness. You can choose between dark mode and light mode. You can choose either one, but make sure that the auto switch feature is turned off if it's available. The other reason your brightness might change automatically is that the auto brightness feature is turned on or the adaptive brightness is turned on. So to stop this, simply turn off its toggle. And from now on, you can adjust your brightness manually using the control at the top of your screen. And this issue is mainly due to the auto brightness feature or adaptive brightness feature adjusting based on your surroundings. So by turning it off, your brightness will remain constant, allowing you to set it to your preference. So I hope you find this video helpful. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.